Today we are starting a new chapter, that is current electricity. We have studied about electric charge particle, electric field, electric potential and forces we applied on charge due to other charge. Now if there is an electric field and there is electric charge in that electric field, charge experience a force, and if we do not cancel out this force with any other force, then what will happen? The net forces always create an acceleration, and net forces is responsible for motion of that charged particle. So that particle start moving. There a large number of charged particles and they are in a body. They are lined up in an electric field and they keep on moving. If we have this one copper wire which is very long, in this we have connected with the source and there is an electric field in it. If there is an electric field in it and there is a particle which has got charge Q, every conductor has a large number of charged particles. What will happen to these charged particles? Answer: all will experience a force F equal to QE. Because of that force, they will start moving, and when they move, the charge move. They show many characteristics, and this we are going to study here. But first, when the charge move, we have to fix up many quantities which are related to motion of the charge. The very first thing, what is meant by electric current? Like water current, which is closely related to the word flow. Anything which flow makes current. So if the charges are moving, then we can say moving charged particles make electric current. Moving charged particles make electric current. Why they should move? Because there is an electric field. They move. Now electric current has got strength. We have to fix up that. What do we call strength of electric current? To count the strength of electric current, we make a definition that in any conductor, the number of electric charge passing through a cross section in 1 second gives strength of electric current, and it is denoted by I. Suppose in time t the charge passing is q, then in 1 second how much charge will pass? Q upon t, and this we will call current. So this is our first formula. We get it in electric current. I equal to Q upon T, where Q is charge flow in how much time? T, and where it is flowing in any conductor. So once again, what is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electric charge. And why they should flow? Because there is an electric field. Whether charge should flow, there has to be an electric field which will promote or which will be the cause of electric current. So cause of electric current is electric field.